It's just a windy day, a little rom-com day. Things feel pretty morbid, I say. What could brighten your day? Well, I say my chum is on his way to deliver something amazing for you. Get ready for this, ladies and gentlemen. Hey you! Yeah you! Come over here, got something to show you. How about, would you like to buy this new keyboard? It's RGB, it lights up, and it does the clackity clack movement. How cool is that? You could buy this, a GXTrust keyboard. It's a keyboard that you can trust. I've had this for months. It's a good keyboard. It will make your FPS go woo.